Hi, I'm Dr. Richard Eby of Eby Foot Care, and today we're going to talk some more about plantar fasciitis, and specifically we're going to talk about what relation foot type has to do with the condition. There are many different foot types. Usually we sort of categorize them into being normal, flat, or high arched. But even a normal foot can get this condition. But anything that makes the foot flatten out more than normal, where the arch goes down, the structures on the bottom of the foot, specifically the plantar fascia, is put under additional stress. This is a relatively normal arch foot, and you can kind of compare that to a foot that flattens out or pronates excessively. What's happening is the foot is moving down, the arch is lowering, all the structures on the bottom of the foot are put under tension. Plantar fascia is one of those structures, and primarily the one that gives people trouble. For a different reason, people with a really high arch foot can also get plantar fasciitis. When somebody has a rigid high arch, one that's high sitting or standing, the structures on the bottom of the foot shorten. They get tighter. So people with this problem can also get plantar fasciitis. Now, we're not even talking about all the other things that can occur. Bunions, hammer toes, a lot of other problems. Right now we're just talking about heel pain. There's a lot of ways to treat heel pain. We've talked in the past about some of them. Cortisone injections, laser treatment, shock wave, orthotics. We're going to talk about just two of them today because we're talking about things that reduce this pulling on that plantar fascia. And primarily the main one is an orthotic device. Many different types of orthotics. These are just two relatively rigid devices that are more than an arch support, but really balance the pressure on the bottom of the foot. This is one that's a little bit longer, goes to the base of the toes, slightly more flexible, but still springs back to the normal shape. If I had to say one thing that will help people with plantar fasciitis more than anything else, orthotic devices probably have a higher success rate than just about anything else, particularly in the long term. I mean, there's things we can do to get it better quickly, like a cortisone injection, but this is something that helps a lot in the long term. One other thing, a little different type of structure, is a night splint. Now, night splints are not going to fix the problem, but a night splint holds the foot up at night so that the plantar fascia is not tight first thing in the morning. In other words, it keeps it stretched out. So if you keep the plantar fascia stretched out while you're sleeping, while you're off of it, take this thing off in the morning and start walking on it, you're going to have less pain. Just another way, another mechanical way to treat plantar fasciitis. And this is important because plantar fasciitis is a mechanical problem. In the future, we're going to talk a little more about something called shock wave, how it works, laser treatment, but for right now, we're just limiting ourselves to mechanical treatment of plantar fasciitis. Always welcome your questions. Leave a comment, like us, we'd be happy to see that, or you can subscribe to our channel. This is Dr. Richard Eby at Eby Foot Care, www.rebfootcare.com. Thanks for watching.